we'll get these pieces out of the way the easy way. Nope, that's how you find your weak ones. All this in the name of progress, huh? So if I can get a second without cars here, what we're up to, I want to try to get this this gable end kind of filled in, at least the high parts, get the sheathing on it before they put the tin on, because the step ladder is very easy for me to maneuver. I actually have a cleat holding that in, so it's not going to slide out, kick out on me, because it's kind of a danger with step ladders, and I really don't feel like repeating the last performance right there. But I'm spacing my purlins, my strapping every 3 foot centers. That's more than enough. We're putting 2.5 inch screws through them so they get pretty good purchase into the framing material below. These are 2 foot centers in the middle. I did not worry about putting studs under the braces right there because I have enough. It's close enough to where I can put strapping across there. But anyway, I got up here last night and it's going pretty well. It's actually coming together pretty quickly now. It rained today and I actually have a dry spot up here, believe it or not, from that little bit of roof being on. But so anyway, that's what we're up to. Now that it's getting dark a lot earlier, it's going to be a lot harder to get videos out after work. So I'm going to do my best for you, trying to bring you kind of new progress stuff, not just a bunch of compilation stuff like that. So we're going to try to keep it fresh and keep going. So I'm going to quit yakking because daylight's fading fast, and we're going to get on trying to get some of this, at least a couple pieces put up that you can see. You can see I've got some up already. So we're going to get after it. Haha, I win. There we have it, guys. Just a little bit of an overhang there. Now I'm leaving quite a reveal down here below us because I've got to put the doors in. I'm thinking about doing I was going to do the big sliding doors, but I might actually do regular swinging doors with some really heavy duty hand forged hinges for now. Out of breath from doing that. Like I said, my body's still getting used to this again. But so we're going to try to do some double doors. It'll save me a lot of money and it'll be a lot easier to build. I'm going to put a man door though right in the double doors so that I don't have to open up the big ones all the time every time I want to come out here. But so what we'll do is we'll trim this off on the outside so we get because we're going to have our doorway here. The finished door frame will be 46 inches by the time we're said and done. like 6'2" tall, somewhere in there, or 6 foot, I can't remember. But so we're going to continue on across here. I've got to stud a framing wall down on that side. I have to do one on that side, but like I said, I'm trying to get this done before they get the tin on, at least one of these ends, because it's a lot easier to do it now than it will be for me to do it from a ladder on the outside. They'll probably help me some with this, but I want to try to get as much done as I can on my own. Bet you I can't hook the bottom of that, not with this wind. I'll bet you. Come on. Oh, I told you.
You can call me stupid. Yes, you can call me sheep. You can say I'm lazy. You can say I'm weak. But when it comes to her, you better keep it sealed. Don't you dare say a single word, or I will strike you where it feels. You think that using her will get to me, and if you're right, then you're in trouble deep. 'Cause I won't break, no, I know I won't weep. You're in trouble deep. I don't wanna hear no more. There are certain things I won't ignore. I really think you need to go before I kick you out the door. I kick you out the door. You think that using her will get to me, and if you're right, then you're in trouble deep. 'Cause I won't break, now I know I don't weep. And you're in trouble deep. I don't wanna hear no more. There are certain things I won't ignore. I really think you need to go before I kick you out the door. I don't wanna hear no more.
Any of you tell my wife that I'm out here doing this right now, I'm going to tell her you're all liars. That's what I'm going to do. Take that. Oh, sorry about the poor video light quality tonight. I know this headlight kind of probably making it hard to watch. But so what I did, and I'll shine the light on it, put a little ledger board on here for these pieces to sit on. It's leveled up, it'll help me line all these things up. This is actually going really easy doing it from the inside. Once I get out towards the, out this way, it's going to be a little bit tougher to do that, but I still have to build a wall here, and I got to do the infill wall on the other side. But I'm trying to get this peak part done, this gable end, because once they get the tin on there, it's going to be a lot harder to do it. This side over here is going to be quite a bit harder just, just because the tin's there. Now let's see if we can get this on. To be honest with you guys, I thought that this would bother me. You know, the height's just the mental effects after that kind of a fall. But I tell you what, it's actually not too bad at all. I mean, when I'm tired, it seems, the leg's real tired, it's kind of shaky up here, but I could deal with this. If this is as bad as it gets, I could deal with it. Well, we got a few boards on there tonight in the dark and with the headlamp on. And I know you're going to have some dark patches in the videos. I hope that doesn't bug you guys too much, but I'm in a pretty happy place right now. I'm actually, I tell you what, going up and down the ladder is actually loosening things up really well. Not too nerve-wracking. I figured it would be a little bit more than it is, but not at all. I'm still a little queasy by that stairwell, though. I'll tell you that, which I guess is to be expected. But at least there's stairs there now, and I've got a lot of it blocked off. I'll throw some 2x across there when I've got to do that side, the eastern side of that gable end. But yeah. So we're getting there, slowly but surely, a little bit at a time. The rain's starting again, so I'm going to call it a night. But it was a beautiful night. We don't get too many of these this time of year, but I will take every one that I can get. So thanks, guys, for all the good feedback on video number 300. I know we got off on a little bit of a rant there, I guess you'd call it. I wouldn't even call it a rant, just some thoughts on people. But really good feedback on that one. I appreciate that. Appreciate all you guys. You guys kind of make the channel happen, so I really appreciate that. But anyway, like I said, we're going to keep plugging. I will have this damn thing closed in before heavy winter sets in. I swear it, I will. I don't care what it takes at this point. But so I figure probably 2 more truckloads of siding boards and we should be good. And I've got that covered, so that's going to be a good day. Going to be a real good day. We'll do the sides here, that little piece, that 48, now it's about a 4-foot piece to close off the 2 eave walls there. Those will go pretty quick and easy. I should be able to get most of those from the inside. I've been lucky so far in this gable end. I've been able to get them from the inside of the building, so it's a lot safer, especially now that there's a railing up there. I can thank my father-in-law for that. A lot of the concerns you guys have had over the last couple of years on this channel about the safety, things like that, he came right in and said, no, we're not doing it like this. So he was a smarter man than I for that. And I tell you, it's a lot more comfortable to work around that edge with that railing there. Something I probably should have done a little bit quicker. But I didn't go off the end of the barn. I mean, I went through the stairwell hole that everybody told me to close up. But that's another story. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for coming along, tuning into this progress. Every video in this never-ending build, as Nathan calls it, but this never-ending build is getting closer. There's been some questions from one viewer, a long-time regular of the channel. I know some of you guys are taking umbrage to some of the things he's saying. He's not a bad guy, folks. Just he has some questions, and he deserves some answers. He's been a very loyal viewer here, so as we go along, James, we will be addressing your questions. So anyway, have a good night, everybody. I'll see you on the next one.